Hi friends, today I am going to present a very useful and common product which you have to use every day in your life. I think you may guess. Today is 16 January 2021. Hope you guesses. I won't be late. Yeah, you are right. I am talking about Amway Home Fruits and Veggie Wash. Whenever we go to the market, uh, we always try to purchase fresh fruits and vegetables. Our intention is always uh, to buy some fresh fruits, some fresh vegetables. But after bringing them home, we first thing we try to clean them properly. Why? Because there are so many concerns are there. First of all, there are so many darts and germs, and we always want to clean them properly. Secondly, there are some particles like pesticides or heavy metals residue, or maybe in some cases there are some waxes coating upon fruits and vegetables, and that is used to preserve or prevent them properly. We always try to clean all these things properly. But can we clear up them all? Can we be sure for that? I think you worried. But don't worry. Now we got Amway Home Fruits and Vegetables Wash. So to overcome all our challenges. Here is Amway Home Fruits and Veggie Wash. It is the safest product for cleaning fruits, vegetables and cereals also. And it is, you may notice, it is 5-in-1 fruits and vegetable cleaning solution made with naturally derived cleansing agent, scientifically lab tested to remove pesticides, waxes, germs like fungus, bacteria, dust, dirt and heavy metals from the surface of the fruits and vegetables and cereals without leaving any residue. And let's see some practical usage of this product. At first, take a bowl and I took just 1 liter water. Add 5 ml fruits and veggies on it. Then put your fruits and vegetables in uncut and unpeeled condition. Just take 1 liter water and 5 ml through pour and measuring cap, 5 ml fruits and veggie wash on the 1 liter water, and then rub properly your fruits and vegetable fruits so that the surface may clean accurately. Then rinse 2 to 3 times under running tap water. Now fresh fruits are ready to eat. I took separate for fruits and for vegetables, and for more dirty vegetables like potato, and take enough water to drown your vegetables in it. Here I take 3 liters of water and take fruits and vegetable as 5 ml per liter ratio as of your water amount. Now put your all vegetables in it and again repeat the same process. Soak it for 10 minutes. You see this, how effective this one. And previously I mentioned this is the safest product. This is not only safe, this is also very effective. It leaves no residue, no artificial color, no added alcohol, no added chlorine, no added bleach, and no animal based ingredient. And it is tested against 197 pesticides on fruits, vegetables and cereals. So today I brought this for my personal use. I shared this experience with you, and you may also buy it, and if you want to use it. Nice sharing with you. Stay home, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.